Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see some tips and tricks to make your car power windows last forever. To maximize the lifespan of your car's power windows, you need to take preventative measures, proper care, and early troubleshooting. Below is a comprehensive guide covering everything from basic maintenance to advanced troubleshooting. Don't hold the switch too long after the window reaches the top or bottom. This strains the motor unnecessarily. Roll down slightly in hot weather to relieve interior pressure and prevent stress on window seals. Avoid repeatedly toggling the switch. Pressing up and down too quickly can overwork the motor. Dirt and debris in the tracks create resistance, making the motor work harder. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust and dirt. Wipe the tracks with a damp cloth. Apply a silicone-based spray lubricant inside the tracks to reduce friction. Avoid grease-based products as they attract dirt. Rubber seals prevent water and dust from entering, but they can dry out or crack. Use mild soap and water to remove dirt. Apply a rubber protectant or silicone spray to keep the seals flexible. Inspect for cracks or gaps. Replace damaged seals to prevent further wear. Winter care. Ice can freeze the window shut, and forcing it can break the regulator or motor. Before rolling down a window, warm up the car or use a de-icer spray. Summer care. Extreme heat can dry out rubber seals and increase friction. Park in shaded areas or use a windshield sunshade to protect interior components. Slow-moving windows could indicate low battery voltage or a weak window motor. Intermittent operation may be caused by loose wiring or failing switches. Check fuses if a window stops working completely. Sometimes a simple fuse replacement solves the problem. Repeatedly slamming doors can misalign window regulators, leading to rough movement or window failure. If you notice rattling, clicking, or grinding noises, check the regulator alignment before it gets worse. Address small issues before they become major failures. Common signs of power window problems: window moves unevenly or gets stuck, clicking or grinding noises, slow operation compared to other windows, window drops suddenly when rolling down. Fix small issues early. Replacing a window motor or regulator is much cheaper than replacing an entire power window assembly.